When I was a freshman in high school, I got like 6 concussions or something ridiculous like that. Through all of those doctor's appointments and research studies and exams and tests and things like that, they were like, by the way, you're really ADHD. We were like, okay, that kind of makes sense. I think we all just thought I had a ton of energy and was super social, loved to try new things. I don't know that everyone else always really perceived it that way, but that's how I felt like people perceived it, which is great for my self-esteem, I guess. The first time I ever tried medication for ADHD, I sat down and did my homework in like a quarter of the time that I normally do. And I mean, I was always a good student, but I was like, is this how easy it is for everyone else? So based on my research that I conducted, I looked at how IRR, our International Rescue and Relief Program, and the experiential learning, so like those hands-on kind of class, would be beneficial to ADHD students and how they learn. Compared to their neurotypical peers, neurodivergent students often perform a quarter to half a letter grade lower than their neurotypical peers in any given class. And my research found that in experiential learning classes in IRR, compared to typical traditional didactic lecture-based classes, also in IRR, neurotypical and neurodivergent students perform at the same level. There's no statistical difference. There's a much higher percentage of ADHD students in the IRR program than there are in your typical college program. This model attracts neurodivergent learners. And I think it's because they find success. And it's like, it just sounds cool, you know? Like, what? I could be outside, you know, rescuing people as a living? I didn't even know that was a thing. ADHD students perform better when they feel they have some sort of support system around them. And I think that people find that in IRR and on Union's campus, but I think specifically in IRR, you have no choice but to feel the love and support of everyone around you. And then another part of it is that these ADHD students get to realize that, hey, I'm really good at this. I'm great in high stress situations. Or, yeah, I'm really good at this kind of problem solving or this kind of critical thinking. Survival for 3 days out in the wilderness on your own with no food, and you have to find a water source, and you know, like that builds your self-confidence and your ability to trust yourself and to see what you're really capable of. Students who come here truly feel like they're supported. They really feel like they have a family and a community that they're a part of and that they belong in.